The hair remained silky even after me dyeing the hair jet black. Okay guys, so I successfully dyed the hair jet black. I did feel like I stained the lace right there. Hopefully, you know, that shit goes away after bleaching the knots. I'm not really too sure. This is my first time dyeing a wig jet black, but I'm really excited for the results. I went ahead and set a timer. So we have 23 minutes going. Once the 20 minutes is over, I'm gonna wash the dye out of the wig, and then I'm going to start bleaching the knots, and then I'm gonna do the whole plucking process. With all that being said, I'm gonna get back to y'all when the hair is finished processing. Okay guys, so I put all the bleach on the lace, and now I'm just gonna let it sit for, I want to say, a good 25 minutes. I'm actually very impressed with this hair company. Their knots are very small. Like, as you can see, you don't even see like much of the knots. I know that there's actually bleach on there, so but look how small the knots are on the hairline. That's definitely a plus for me, because that means it's gonna be a very natural install, and that also means that the knots are going to bleach very beautifully. So I'm very excited to actually install this wig. Okay guys, so I have many videos where I explain my bald cap method, so I didn't really go into detail with it for this video, but I am cutting my bald cap method here. Obviously, Chanel, duh. We can fucking see that. Well, damn. Y'all cannot tell me that I would not look cute without a bald head, because, bitch, my bald cap is really giving bald. Like, it's really giving. So now I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty foundation, just to like kind of give the wig cap some color, because I currently don't have any lace tint. I have to pick up some more, so this is gonna make do for now. I bought this foundation like 2 years ago, I want to say, so I don't even know if this shit is my shade still, so we're just gonna hope and pray for the best. All right, so far it's looking like my color, so I think we good. Alright, so I guess it does kind of match my color. I mean, it's the only thing I got right now, so it's gonna have to work somehow, some way. Alright guys, so this is what the hairline looks like. Alright, I cannot fucking see. I gotta cut off this extra lace. This is how long the hair is. It goes all the way down to my back. Almost, well, yeah, touching my butt about. I was dead gonna cut this wig into a bob, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to wear some inches, because I haven't had inches in that long. The hair just looks too good, and I haven't even straightened it. So it's the elite plucking on the hairline for me. I plucked this wig myself, of course. I pluck all my wigs. But this wig was very easy to pluck, I'll say that. This wig is definitely beginner friendly. A wig that I consider personally beginner friendly is a wig that has like a pre-plucked hairline. If it don't come pre-plucked, I feel like it's a little harder to pluck it. So I feel like if you're a beginner trying to learn how to pluck wigs, definitely get a pre-plucked hairline, because it definitely guides you and helps you. But yeah, y'all gonna have to, like, come on. Y'all gonna have to give me credit down below in the comments for my plucking game. Like, it keeps getting better for real, but practice definitely makes perfect. So now the first thing I'm gonna do is cut off the ear tabs, because for me personally, that just makes laying the wig much easier. Alright y'all, so I went ahead and I cut the ear tabs, so my wig is exactly how I want it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just use my Erica J glue to lay this bitch down, period. This glue is definitely a 10 out of 10. I definitely recommend this glue. This glue is definitely fire. Like, it gives scalp.
No limit, she craves attention. Oh, she don't see the light that's shining. Cut her woes away. Let's cover girls don't cry. She has dreams to be
Like I said in the beginning, this video is sponsored by Kriyya Hair. This lace front, I literally have no complaints. The lace melted very beautifully. It was very easy to pluck this frontal. It definitely is beginner friendly. But I am using my Erica J glue to go ahead and install this bad boy. And the Erica J glue definitely helps me get a very natural install. So I definitely 10 out of 10 recommend that glue because it be having my installs looking very fresh. But overall, this hair is definitely good quality. It is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. I absolutely love this hair. The density is super perfect.
Next time we talk, I don't wanna just talk, I wanna trust. Next time I spend, I want it all to be for you.
All that shit.
To make sure that my glue is really like getting in there, I like to take a hard bristle brush and I like to brush the hairline of where I applied the glue. This definitely does make a big difference in my installs. Just a little free game right there. Then I go ahead and tie my lace down with an elastic band for at least long as I can. Does that even make sense? I go ahead and tie my elastic band around my lace for as long as I can. Like right now, I'm about to tie it. I'll say for like a good 20 minutes because I'm about to clean up. And after I clean up, I'm gonna come back and cut the lace off.
Jump off and tall I came. Baby girl, you know just what that ring for. Yeah.
Alright y'all, this is the final result of my hair. I shabodied. Where's the lace? Okay, the Erica J glue be coming motherfucking through. It gives scalp. Like that Erica J glue definitely does help. Oh my god, y'all need to go cop that glue. Though it's not sponsored. I just love to put my biddies on and that's on period. Like I definitely think that shit is better than Bold Hold, and I always use Bold Hold, and I'm telling y'all that shit's definitely better than Bold Hold. Like I don't know, it's just something about it. It makes the install look so fucking fresh. And this is how long the hair is. I was not gonna cut this into a bob. I'm sorry. This hair is too thick, it's too long, it's too flowy. Like, are you dumb? I can't cut this into a bob. I'm sorry, y'all. But this is part 1 of the transformation glow up of 2021. Hair is dead. So my hair and nails is done, period. All I have to do is get my eyelash extensions. And I know I have on eyelashes right now, but these are just strips. These strips are from barbiesdollhouse.co. I'll have it down below in the description box because you guys are always asking me where I get my lashes. That is where I get my lashes from, barbiesdollhouse.co. Like fluffy lashes that already look like lash extensions. Like, is you shitting me? Or is you motherfucking kidding me? Go cop. Tomorrow. I keep getting interruptions. Tomorrow I have a lash appointment at 12 p.m. So that concludes this, you know, little vlog for today. I think that's pretty much it. It's currently 12:19 in the morning and I just finished my hair. The direct link to this wig will be down below in the description box. I definitely 10 out of 10 recommend. This hair is super motherfucking bomb. It's super, like, come on, look. This is just one pass of the flat iron, y'all. One pass. Like, it's giving body, it's giving length. Like, y'all know I be putting y'all onto the fire hair companies because, bitch, look. My shit is giving me scalp. Like, I just can't get over it. I'm sorry, y'all. Like, alright, but I'm excited to get my lashes done tomorrow. Y'all are gonna come with me. I'll see you cuties tomorrow, or I'll see you cuties later or something.